Questions 53 through 55 refer to the following conversation.
Thanks for joining me as a special guest on my cooking show here at our broadcasting studio today, Wendy. I'm sure many of my TV viewers have been looking forward to this.
No problem, Chef Hammond. So, what will you be creating with these ingredients?
Well, since the theme of our program is Italian dishes, I'll demonstrate how to make spaghetti with cream sauce.
Sounds delicious. There are eggs mixed into the sauce, right?
Oh, you're familiar with this dish? The recipe calls for 2 eggs. And here's something to keep in mind. It's important to lower the heat on the stovetop when adding the eggs so that they don't become scrambled.
That's a fantastic tip. Should I add the cheese now?
Yes, please. Meanwhile, I'll show our audience the differences between Italian and American-style bacon.
Number 53. Where is the conversation most likely taking place? Number 54. Why does the man say,
"You're familiar with this dish?"
Number 55. What will the man most likely do next?